This is the Liipoo AbsolutSweat reusable sweat tester. It comes in this little recharging case, and as you can see in this mode it's charging. What you can do is put it into this position, and this means that you can use it to attach it to the strip that you attach to your body, adhesive strip. So once you've done this, you can remove this protective strip, bring the sensor towards the strip, press for a few seconds, which attaches the sensor to the adhesive strip. Now you can remove the sensor on the adhesive strip and attach it to your body for sweat testing. The sensor connects to the app on a mobile device and shows you real-time sweating as you work out.